about us, search bar. So there are many sections in this template. You can customize these templates here. Enable this theme for mobile. We have built-in mobile theme. If you want to enable this theme for mobile, you can use this one, yes please. Or if you want the system defined mobile theme, just no. You can see this one. Currently there is no sub name showing here. So we want to, if we want to show, click show and save settings. So online training. I'm giving the title online training. The news is yes, news. Path must be unique. I have set it online training. Just remember this on online training. And content description, whatever you like, you set your description and save. Content data save. Now go to news section. See, automatically this one comes. See, click read more. This is arrived. So thus you can set your news. Or if you don't want to set this as a news but as a web page, SLiMS works as content management system. So as a content management system, you can use this one as your website also. So we want to create a page that lists our e-journals. I am going to create a page on e-journals link. This is the news. No, I don't want to show this one under news. So I want to create a unique path. So path must be unique. That is, just create a links. And save. Now go to here and replace the term after equal sign at URL, that is links. See this one. Now you can use these links at this location. Just you can configure your template and add these links so that these links can be visible here. Okay. So thus you can use this content page. Now biblio indexes, there is option if you frequently changes in your catalog, frequently means most frequently, and you want to recreate your index. If you think that your search engine is not working properly, then you can recreate your index or update index, or even you can empty your index and then recreate index. Then there are different modules. We have nothing to do here actually. The most important part is librarian and system users. This is the most important part. So how many times we have? Let me check. 5 minutes. Okay. So I am the super user currently, right? I am the super user. But I am not the only one in my library. My supporting staffs are also working with me. My colleagues are also working with me. So I have some people, I want to set a group for circulation. I want to set a group for cataloging or processing or another parts also. So for that, what can I do? I can create a new user group. Sorry, user group first. Add new group. So here, like I want to create a group for circulation. So I'm giving the name circulation, and module permission. For the circulation group, I want to give permission for circulation only and membership, because this one requires, and reporting also. So for the group circulation, I would like to give permission for circulation read write, membership read write, and reporting read write. Save. Okay. Like this, I would like to create another group, that is processing. So in that case, I am giving permission for read, write, for bibliography, membership also. But I am not giving any permission for circulation. I am giving permission for bibliography also, stock taking also, reporting also, CL control. So I am giving the processing section this permission. Okay. Now I have these two groups. So my system admin group creation, this is for system administration only, not for general users, general members. So this is for system administration. Now I would like to go to librarian and system users page. Create add new users. So it's like circulation 1. My login username is circulation 1. Username is also circulation 1. User type, library stuff. So you can choose this option, fill this option. Just this is the important part, that you select the accurate group, appropriate group. So here the appropriate group is circulation, because I am going to create a circulation user, and set a password. Suppose our password is 1234. So 1234. Save. Okay, it is saved. I am creating another one, that is processing 1. Library stuff also, and click now processing. Check this one. Password 1234. 1234. Save. So I would like to log in there. So I would like to log in again with this profile. So first I need to sign out. Like processing circulation 1. Password is also circulation 1. Probably I made something wrong. Let's check processing 1. Oh, sorry. Processing 1.